Blockchain is one of those technologies that seems to be everywhere. But what exactly is it? Let's break it down. At its core, blockchain is a decentralized digital ledger that records transactions across multiple computers. Instead of relying on a central authority, like a bank or a government, blockchain uses a network of computers to maintain the accuracy of the data. The unique part? Once something is added to the blockchain, it's incredibly difficult to change or tamper with it. Imagine a chain of blocks, each containing information. In the case of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, these blocks record transactions. When someone buys or sells something using Bitcoin, that transaction is verified by a network of computers, bundled into a block, and added to the chain. Each block is connected to the previous one, forming a continuous, unbroken chain of data. But it's not just for cryptocurrencies. Blockchain can be used for many things: tracking the supply chain of goods, securing medical records, even managing voting systems. Anything where transparency, security, and trust are critical can potentially benefit from blockchain. One of the reasons blockchain is so secure is that it uses cryptographic algorithms to verify and link blocks together. This means that altering any single block would require changing every block that came after it, across the entire network. Practically speaking, this is almost impossible. But what's the big deal about decentralization? In traditional systems, a single entity, like a bank, controls and verifies all transactions. This centralized system can be vulnerable to fraud, hacking, or even simple mistakes. In a decentralized blockchain network, no single person or group has full control. Instead, the system is maintained by a community of users, all working together to verify transactions and keep the data safe. Blockchain is also transparent. Every participant in the network has access to the same data, so they can verify any transaction for themselves. This openness can build trust, especially in industries where transparency is critical. But blockchain isn't without its challenges. For one, it can be slow. Verifying transactions across a network of computers takes time, especially compared to traditional systems that rely on a single server. There's also the issue of energy consumption. Some blockchains, particularly those using proof-of-work systems like Bitcoin, require massive amounts of electricity to operate. Despite these challenges, blockchain is gaining popularity. Major industries are exploring how they can use this technology to improve security, efficiency, and transparency. From finance to healthcare and even entertainment, blockchain could have a transformative impact. So what is blockchain? It's a secure, decentralized, and transparent way to record and verify data, with the potential to change how we handle everything from money to medical records. While it's still evolving, the possibilities are enormous, and we're just starting to see how this technology might shape the future.